Now we'll start our discussion. I call Anup, Krish, Manian, Gaurang, and Kamla. She's our only woman speaker. Being as I said, the only woman speaker, Kamla will be our moderator for this panel. Kamla is a vice president with the National Stock Exchange. I'll hand over the stage to Kamla now.
Very good afternoon to all of you. Good to see so many people sparing a Saturday and coming here to learn about money. As I was listening to the earlier speakers on the stage, I somehow couldn't believe that they were saying the truth, that they don't know anything about money. I have to rationalize this and say why first, and then we go on to our discussion. The musician said that she doesn't know anything about money. Today, how many of us on the dais know some things about music? Can we? I want all of you to say how many of us understand music? Something you know.
I'm have good ear for music, and just to stretch that point forward, I think it is not as important. You might not possibly give that much importance for finance, but to invest going forward, you're going to need money, and how you're going to get that money is possibly whatever money you have, invest it wisely and earn interest upon them, and that you multiply. So it is not only important, but it is very, very essential to understand a little bit about finance as well as you understand music.
What I don't know about music will fill quite a few volumes, I'm afraid. I have a total failure for music. Bhangra rap is about all I know.
See, like vast majority of us may not be professionally musicians, but many of us cannot do our daily routine without listening to the music. Same thing I turn around and say about money. You may not be understanding technical jargons about money. I appreciate and understand. But the minute you are saying you're in business, you're bringing out album, I'm sure money angle is involved and you understand more than what you're acknowledging that you know. So first thing all of us should learn to know is that we do know something about money. Whatever is the gap, we will make an attempt to know. So let us not start with the fundamental that we do not know about money. Same thing on the manufacturing garment sector lady who spoke. She said, I bought one sari, embroidered and bought 2 saris, then multiplied it by 4. That logically proves that you know a lot about money. Simple logic is what I am plowing into my business. After my activity is done, I should be realizing something more than what I plowed in. So can this happen without knowing how much I invested? And what I realized after my first embroidered sari got sold? How much profit did I make? How much loss did I make? That means fundamentally all of us are agreeing that we know about money. It's just that we are shying away from acknowledging what we know about money. Maybe it's also time for all of us to acknowledge what we do not know and make an attempt to know. And I think that is a good start for us. Why is that money being so important? Without money, we know what all hardships we go through. But still, why is there very little understanding about money? And what is that we should be doing to create awareness about money? I would like response from all of you.